Oh man, that's a good workout, Nick.
Dude, that was freaking nuts, bro.
Let's go get a post-workout. Man, I'm freaking hungry, dude.
I'm craving some s'mores right now, dude.
S'mores? What the fuck is s'mores?
Dude, you don't know what s'mores are?
Never heard of them.
All right, so imagine melting chocolate, right? You with me? You put that on a roasted marshmallow on a graham cracker sandwich. You can't beat those.
Holy crap, that sounds amazing.
Yeah, they are amazing. They are awesome. The only thing that isn't awesome though, the calories that come with them.
Dude, no way. That sounds amazing. I'm making that shit right now.
But we don't have a campfire.
We don't need a campfire. We'll make them right here on my stove.
I was just gonna say that
No, sunshine.
Yeah?
Do we have that stuff for the, what do you call it again?
S'mores. Bro, they're called s'mores.
S'mores.
Yeah, I think so. Wait, why do you want s'mores? Those have tons of calories.
Shh. Just get the mallow, baby, and get the chocolate too. Daddy's hungry.
All right, they're in the cupboard.
Bro, I've been trying to tell you, you don't actually have to make s'mores, all right? And sacrifice all those calories and actually lose your gains.
Huh?
Remember our marketing call not too long ago? You wanted us to surprise you with the new whey protein isolate flavor, the one we launched first. You don't remember that?
Yeah, I remember.
Well, surprise.
Well, I guess the whey protein isolate natural s'mores flavor is available on KAGEDMUSCLE.com. I'm going to go get it right now. So should you.